Okay, mama, real talk. I don't call something game changer unless it really has earned that title. Lately, I've been using 4 products, tools on my daughter's hair that has completely changed the game. I'm talking less breakage, more shine, and 0 drama on wash day. Just 4 things that actually work. And if you're tired of doing the most for little results, this video is for you. Hey mama, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm sharing 4 game changers that has absolutely done wonders for my eldest daughter's hair. Her hair is healthier, it is stronger, and it has so much more shine. Okay, so let's get into it. Now mama, you already know how I feel about the TYMO Blow Dryer. I've already done a whole tutorial and review on this. If you haven't seen it, check it out after this video. This thing is a lifesaver. It is lightweight, dries the hair super fast, like real fast, and that ionic technology that it has, it keeps the frizz at bay and just gives the hair such a nice sheen or shine to it. Now when I use this particular blow dryer, I love to use the tension method. So no brush or comb attachment, just literally stretch the hair taut, blow dry, and away we go. And you know what that means, right? Less manipulation, less breakage, and more of that length retention. And the adjustable heat setting, and that's the cherry on top. I'm not doing no heat damage in 2025. Mama, if you are struggling to create a regimen for your little one, don't worry. As always, I have got you. Just click the link below this video in the description box and download your free guide. In this guide, I break down everything for you. The what, the when, and the how of creating a regimen for your little one. Check it out, as I mentioned. Click the link in the description box and download yours today. Now, let's talk about protein. These Amino Touch Protein Drops, come to the front. Come to the front. It is amazing. From the moment I used it, I instantly saw results. It is a pure collagen and keratin protein treatment. So it works from the core to the outer layers of the hair. You know, it claims to repair dry, damaged, and breakage prone hair. It claims to strengthen the hair, etc, etc. Now I've been using these protein drops on my eldest daughter's hair. She's currently 9. I've been using it for about 4 or 5 months now. And the main reason for this is because she has been requesting for me to blow dry her hair more often. So of course I want to, you know, help protect her hair, strengthen her hair, all of that good stuff. Instantly when I washed this treatment from her hair, I noticed that her hair is stronger, her hair has a lot more sheen to it. It's also softer and it has more elasticity and bounce to her hair. I was literally amazed. I love it so much. Now of course her hair wasn't in a bad condition prior to using these protein drops, but like I said, I've been using heat more often, and even with blow drying her hair more often, her hair still feels strengthened, her hair is retaining length. I'm just noticing that her hair is flourishing even more since I've incorporated these protein drops into her hair regimen. Honestly, these protein drops are the one. It's so easy to use, and the great thing is that you can literally just use it with your little one's current, for example, deep conditioner. There's no science experiment required. It's literally easy to use and the results are worth it. The mama, this one is so underrated, the Hello Klean Shower Filter. You'd be surprised how much stuff is in our tap water. I'm talking chlorine, I'm talking rust, I'm talking heavy metals, all of it. This could be a contributing factor to your little one's hair issues and even skin issues. Now for us, of course, with my children, I share their regimen and everything with you. Their hair was already flourishing before any of these products that I've mentioned. However, introducing these products into their regimen treatment, like I said before, I've noticed even more improvement to their hair. Now, since we started using this Hello Klean Shower Filter, so before, to get rid of chlorine and heavy metals, we would incorporate a chelating shampoo. So our clarifying shampoo contains chelating ingredients that of course would help with that. Now, my area, I live in a hard water area, so I was looking for something a little bit more, and that's why I got the Hello Klean shower filter. Now, since using the Hello Klean shower filter, I've noticed that my children's hair is softer. Their hair doesn't tangle or mesh together. For example, my eldest daughter, I talk about her hair being like Velcro, always meshing together. We don't have that issue, and nowhere near as bad as how it used to be. Her curls separate easily, and the amazing thing is that there's barely any lime scale on my taps, particularly around where the bathtub is, because that's where the shower filter is. There's hardly any lime scale, and this shows me that this shower filter is actually a good one, because normally I notice a lot of lime scale around the bath taps. And as some of you know, it can be very annoying. And the bonus, our skin is loving it. Now, some of you may know that I have eczema, mainly on my hands. That's where I get the most flare up. But as you can see, hands are all clear. Now, of course, I'm not saying it's just the shower filter. I've been doing other things as well, but I've noticed in general that my skin is so much more clearer, softer. My children, my husband, all of our skins is so much more softer and just feels so much more better now that we've switched to this Hello Klean shower filter. Now, none of these products are sponsored. They're not paying me to talk about their products. I genuinely enjoy using these products, and also genuinely have seen an improvement in my children's hair and skin. Okay, mama, I wasn't gonna gatekeep this last one. Well, I was gonna gatekeep I was gonna keep it to myself, but as always, I love sharing, so I'm gonna share it with you. Consider it a bonus, because this brush, mamas, I am obsessed. I love it. It's the Denman D38 brush. It reminds me of a mix between the Tangle Teaser wet brush and the paddle brush, mainly because of how it smooths and defines while detangling. So what I love most about this brush is that it has long single tiered bristles. It doesn't have any ball tips on the bristles, you know, the ones that pop off and start snatching out your hair. This one doesn't have that. I also love that the bristles are firm, so they don't bend over time. That's the reason why I actually switched from my Tangle Teaser wet brush, which I still do love and I have reviewed in my other video. I still do love and still recommend it, but just the annoying thing about it is that over time, a short time, the bristles start to bend and you're gonna have to replace it. That's the only thing I don't like about that brush. Now, with this Denman D38 brush, the bristles do not bend. I've had this for I think about 2 months now, and the bristles do not bend. They stay firm. The other game changer about this brush is being able to detangle in bigger sections without any breakage. Honestly, it is cutting down detangling time so much. So it's saving me time when I'm detangling my little one's hair. It gives a smooth finish as I'm detangling. It's also smoothing the hair, and it has a really nice grip too. Honestly, it has replaced all my brushes. I still actually use the Felicia Leather with detangling brush for my son only right now, but it has replaced all brushes for my other children. Anything to make wash day not take so long, I am all for it. I even bought the mini Denman D38 brush for my 2-year-old. That's how much I love this detangling brush, because obviously the original Denman D38 brush is quite big, and for my 2-year-old it's a little bit too big when I'm using it for her hair, so I bought the mini one and it works just as great on her hair. I absolutely love this brush. Now, mama, using these 3 products, particularly on my eldest daughter's hair, has made such a difference to her hair. A noticeable difference to her hair. Her hair is stronger, even more manageable. has a lot more sheen, and we're even more happier on wash day. That, mama, is a win-win. A win for me and a win for my daughter. If you tried any of these products, mama, let me know in the comments below. If you have any game-changing products, share them below. I'd love to read your comments, and of course you could be helping another mama out. Mama, if you want to see how I use the TYMO Blow Dryer and also my favorite detangling brushes, as I spoke about in this video, check out the 2 videos shown right now on the bottom left and right hand corner of this screen, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.